When is the best time to buy breakouts? Chat, come on. Come on, chat. When is the best time to buy breakouts? What do we want to see in the moving averages? After correction? Yeah, but the moving averages. When the 10-day is above the 20-day, yeah? More. Rising 10-day, 20-day. We want to see the 10-day above the 20-day, and both the 10-day and 20-day need to be rising. Or one of them can be sideways, but at least one of them needs to be rising. That's when you have good conditions, generally, for breakouts. Not a perfect indicator, but like in late February, the 10-day had started sloping down, the 20-day was sideways. Actually, yeah, in late February. So that was a warning sign that you shouldn't buy breakouts. Like Twitter, yeah, Twitter did look good. Like if I compare this setup, I'm gonna show you guys. You know, you just see this setup. Big move, found support on a rising 10-day, and building high tight flag. Next day it gaps up, but in this case it crapped and it never went higher. Now let's look at something like NIO. I'm gonna show you. Similar setup, fairly similar setup. Something like this. Big move, pulled back to the 10-day, started building a flag, and it went straight up. Why did it go straight up? Well, because the market had just come out of a multi-month correction, and that was the start of a multi-month move. And NIO had shown strength all the way. That's a good time to buy breakouts, when the market comes out of a multi-month sideways or multi-month correction. Not when the market has already run for 2-3 months straight up and they're starting to lose momentum. Not a good time to buy breakouts. And again, the market was, started correction. Speculation money started leaving. Like when did I go short Plug and Tesla? Yeah, early February, that's when we started seeing these danger signs. Late January. Pretty much, some of the setups were good, but again, the market conditions weren't good. Actually, I have to say this guy had the best setup so far. But again, like you need to have market awareness. Very important. You just can't keep doing the same thing over and over again. It's not that easy. Good setup buy. No, you need to be aware of the market conditions. He says the entries, his setups were pretty good. Like they were actually all of the setups pretty much were pretty decent and actually very good, but the market was bad during the February era. Ugly market? I mean, look, if you are in the right stocks, it's not ugly. The large caps are working fine. It's not straight up, but if you're in the select large caps that are working, it's fine. But yeah, the micro and smaller caps have been struggling. The setup itself, it was surfing the 50, was in an uptrend. It was actually a pretty decent setup. This is a good setup. There's nothing else to say. Very orderly and got tight, was surfing the 50-day, building higher lows. Very good setup. It just didn't work because the market was pretty shitty.